Good morning, students. Today is our first class. So, let's start our first chapter of physics, that is force and pressure. Students, in our daily life, does there is any moment where we are not applying force? No. Everywhere we are applying force. Every time we are applying force. Very simply, from morning to till next morning, if you will find out that morning when we get out of the bed without force applying, we cannot get out of the bed. When we go to brush our teeth, naturally we have to apply the force. Even on the toothpaste we are applying force, then only the paste is coming out from the tube. When you are bathing, wearing dresses, eating, opening the door, sitting, standing, when you study, when you walk, even when we go to the bed at night, then also at the time of sleeping, we are applying force. Even students, when we breathe, naturally without applying force, we cannot breathe. And that is the fundamental which gives us life, that is breathing. So every moment, just to think for 30 seconds, that is there any moment where we cannot apply force? No. Every moment, everywhere, if some activity we are doing, even if some activity we are not doing, simply we are sitting, then also when we breathe in or breathe out, we are applying force. So, then what is the force? Till now, up to your standard 7, you have studied that force is push or pull. Push or pull, yes, in our life daily, we are pulling something or pushing something. Opening the door, either you are pulling it by pull it or you push it, then only it can be opened. Eating, that also we are taking and just to our mouth, and then we can eat it. So everything, either we are pulling it or we are pushing it. But in spite of not only pulling and pushing, something is there we can do. So what we can do? Students, very simply, if I'll ask you, have you seen force? Naturally, you can say, yes, miss, I have seen force. Just see, I walking. Yes, this is only force. If I'll write on the board, that is only force. No, that is the effect of force. वो उसका effect है, असर है. So students, directly we cannot see the force, but we are seeing the effect of force that happened. And by seeing that effect, we can easily define what is the force. So you see here, force is an external cause which tends to change the state, direction, or configuration of the body. So let us see one by one what it says. Force is an external cause. Means externally something happening or internally something happening. Cause, its agent. What it is doing? It is doing, see here, tense. Tense means tendency. My tendency is to study. That means हम चाह रहे हैं, हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं पढ़ने की. पढ़ पा रहे हैं कि नहीं, that is another thing. But my tendency is to study. Your tendency that you should punctual with your homework or class or copy. That means you will try to complete your homework and class or copy as the date given by teachers. But may sometimes happen we are not able to do it. But my tendency is to do it. My tendency is to come first in the class. So for that, from beginning only I'll push myself. That means I'll use my effort. How should I come first in my class? So that is the tendency. हमें करने की चाहत, इच्छा हो रही है कि yes, I can do it. So see here. So it tends to change state. First word, just you comment state. So students, what is the state? In chemistry, you have studied states of matter. That states of matter is nothing but the solid, liquid and gases, the different states. But when you come in physics, we are studying generally two states. State of the body means the position of the body. So what position of the body? Either it is state of rest or it is state of motion. So students, force can bring rest body in motion or moving body in rest. For example, let us consider one rest body in motion. You keep a football and kick it. So football was at rest in one position, and when you have applied force, it changes its position, start moving. That means rest body comes to motion. When we sit down, we comes to rest. But when we have to move, we have to apply force and then we start moving. So what happens? That moving rest body comes in motion. So lot of example in daily life, it is that rest body comes in motion. Next to come, moving body comes in rest. Very simply, you people are interested in cricket match. So you see when batsman hit the cricket ball, fielder catch it. So what happens? Moving body comes to rest. You are coming school from your house by walking. Naturally, when you will come to school gate, you have to stop over there. Then only you will enter. And when you will go inside the classroom, yes, naturally you have to stop over there. That means moving body comes to rest. When you are bicycling, going from any vehicles, all moving body comes to rest. But whenever we are going from vehicles or whenever you start bicycling, first it was at rest. You apply force, then you start moving, and then where your destination is, when you reach over there, then there you have to apply force and you come at rest. So I hope student you have understood that yes, state of the body, it tends, that means it tendency, force tendency. See, this is marker and it is at rest. I am applying force in this, but it is just see not moving. That means it tried to move, but my applied force is less, so it is not moving. But when I will apply more force, just see it start moving. So moving body comes to rest. It tries to move when force is applied. Then you come for next one, direction. Direction, students, very simply, that means when we apply force, it changes its direction. Yes, you take us only that from morning when at night when we go to the bed, then that direction was another. when we get out of the bed, then also our direction changes. When we go to freshen up, then direction changes. When we come to school, then also direction changes. When we are teaching, learning many things, many activity where direction changes. But simply if I say you, I think you all people have played badminton. Badminton, when you hit the cock, it goes straight, or a direction changes due to presence of air, how air is applying force. And then another player, when they hit the cock, then what? Again the direction changes. Every time you are seeing direction changes. Swing, झूला पे झूले हो. Every time you are seeing the direction changes. So in our daily life there are so many things where direction changes, and naturally I have told you before that everywhere we are applying force. So I hope you can write the example of change in direction. Then you come configuration. Configuration. Students, I think you will understand this one. Change in figure, shape and size. Mostly things you will see that when shape changes, size changes. So very simply I am going with you that in your birthday you are just inflating the balloon, just pushing the air, it goes into it, and shape of the balloon changes. It get inflated, shape changes, size changes. Yes. We take the vegetables, we cut it. Shape changes, size changes. We cook it. Shape changes, size changes. Whenever we are making chapatis or puris or whatever it is, then when we make a dough, जब हम आटा को गूंथते हैं, आटा very just you can say we cannot take a single grains of that flour. So what, when we make it, it changes into dough. जब गुथा जाता है तो उसको डॉ बोलते हैं, DOUGH. And then from that big dough we are taking a small dough and then giving it shape of puri, paratha, chapatis, whatever you like it. That also shape changes, size changes. So you will see there here that in our daily activity there are many things where shape changes, then size changes. Now students, something are there which can regain its shape. For example, if you take a spring and apply force to the spring, stretch the spring. When you will stretch the spring, that means its shape changes, size changes, but you leave it, it will come in its own shape. That is only known as configuration. It regain its shape. You take a rubber band. When you stretch it, its shape changes, size changes. When you leave it, it comes in its own shape and size. So this is also another fundamental things which we have to study, that by applying force, it configure itself. Many things are not configuring itself because, for example, suppose you have cut the vegetable, it will not take its own shape and size. But if you will take a rubber band, stretch it, pull it, naturally it will take shape and size. So students, these are the effect of force.